Hi, boys and girls. Today I'm going to read you a book to talk about homophones and homonyms. This book is called How Much Can a Bear Bear Bear? So, homonyms are words that sound and also look alike, but they have different meanings, as in, can you pass that can, Mike? Or, may I sail with you in May and coast all along the coast? These words are a blast if you say them quite fast, like, why don't we toast with some toast? A light may be light, like a small paper kite. A trunk can be found in a trunk. An inchworm or snail could scale a scale. A lean cat could lean on a skunk. But punch cannot punch, and at breakfast or lunch, your jam cannot jam on a trumpet. A bull cannot bowl, but a roll might just roll if it's not made as flat as a crumpet. Now, some words sound identical but are spelled in different ways. These words are known as homophones, like praise and praise and praise. So this first praise with the mom and the son is like, good boy. And praise is like a lion, P-R-E-Y-S, is like a lion chasing a bull. And then P-R-A-Y-S is like saying thank you and a blessing. Though homophones have matching sounds, their meanings aren't the same, and there isn't any question they're as fun as any game. A bee can be, a flea can flee, a burrow can burrow a hole. A horse can get hoarse from talking, of course. A ewe could take you on a stroll. A fowl can be foul, a toad can be toad. An air mustn't air in the air. A whale can wail, a male can mail. A pear might just pear, a big pear. A bust can be bust by a driver you trust, and a berry can bury a berry. A band can be banned if they get out of hand, and a Mary who's merry can marry. But the sea cannot see, and it's clear as can be that a ball will not ball when it's rolled. A moose has no use for a bottle of mousse, and a creek doesn't creak when it's old. But a bear should be bare, and it wouldn't be rare if a would be kept in a shed. A Sioux might not sue if he knew that the new that he bought wasn't new, like you said. My niece could see Greece both in Greece and in Nice. A check could be writing a check. A maid could be made to be very afraid when she heard a big herd on the deck. You could search the whole world while it spun and it whirled in each inn and beneath every stone, and you'll find no more pleasures than these great verbal treasures than the homonym and homophone. So what are homonyms and homophones? Do you know?